Ooh, seafood.
Yeah, and seafood for me, oysters.
Ah, gotcha.
The king or the queen, I guess, of the seafood world.
What ones are you I'm speechless. What are you going to choose?
Can we get a dozen of the Sydney rock oysters? It'd be fantastic. I'm sure you've got a wine up your sleeve.
I've got two. I've got sparkling wine, which is a no-brainer. Traditional match, but it's traditional for a reason.
Yeah.
I think it's worth noting though, if you don't have sparkling at home, or if you drink Sauvignon Blanc, if you drink Semillon, any white wine that's got an acid line to it, that's fresh and vibrant, that's what you're looking for to pair well. Oh,
thank you, Peter.
You're thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Oysters, bubbles. What more could a girl want?
I'll start.
Please.
I've been talking about this since we were talking to Peter.
Love it.
I've got a 16 Chardonnay Pinot Noir from the Mornington Peninsula. So let me just open that.
Please. I can't wait to smell it.
I've also got the other wine that I hinted at is I have the variety is called Picpoul.
Yeah.
So this comes from Orange, and Picpoul, you don't get a lot of it in Australia.
I've had one Picpoul before.
There you go.
Yeah.
Coriol and McLaren Vale were one of the first people to do it, and I only know of one other vineyard, which is this one in the Central Ranges in New South Wales. So it hails from the real southern part of France, where they are famed for their oysters, and it's a punchy, zippy, refreshing little style of white wine that I think will go very well. But I said I was going to open this, so I'll shut up and do it.
Yes, please. Thank you. Well, I'll make a very quick vinaigrette then while you're doing that.
My foot under the table.
Open the bubbles.
Give me the bubbles.
Do you have like tailored packs for people like me who just want to drink sparkling sometimes?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
One of our subscriptions options is to take the Wine Selectors Sparkling Wine subscription pack. So you choose how often you want it delivered.
Yep.
But what turns up at your doorstep weekly is either 6 bottles or 12 bottles of Australian sparkling sourced from around the country.
Beautiful. Now with our oysters, I'm going to make a really quick vinaigrette here. So I've got some...
Can you pass me a knife, because I am failing at opening the foil?
It's not you, it's the bottle. Blame
all
the
bottle. Sommeliers out there, I'm sorry. I will not become one of you.
They'll be right. So some extra virgin olive oil, Chardonnay vinegar. Then I'm going to go in with some fennel, cucumber, parsley, chives and dill and lemon. So it's like really herbaceous, really green, really earthy, and very clean. And it's been a long day. So
seems that everyone else has got a memo that we haven't yet.
That's right. We've got oysters and bubbles. We can't complain.
Joke's on them.
I'll whiz this up, make a delicious dressing, and then we can enjoy these oysters and pair them perfectly to the 2 gorgeous wines.
Can't wait.
Alright, this vinaigrette looks incredible. I'm going to pour some into a bowl. And you can go about this 2 ways. You can pop the bowl, you know, on a board like this with your platter of oysters and let people
go nuts
themselves to it. You can add some chervil if you want on top, but I'll make you up an oyster.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah.
I'm just going to have a bit more of that dressing. That's good.
Yeah. You were talking about salinity and purity and suppleness. It's got all of that.
Oh, yum.
And but real length of flavour.
Yeah.
And I think all those elements to me are mirrored in both of those wines.
Absolutely. For me, the Picpoul is something you would not pick. It's something different. Get it?
Shebang.
And it's different, and it's a really interesting choice of people who are willing to try something different and not stick to a routine. But in saying that, I'm a girl who likes bubbles, so I've got to go the bubbles.
Exactly. And look, their tradition is there for a reason. Tried and tested over hundreds and hundreds of years, and I think sparkling wine, especially with the creaminess of those Sydney rocks, just kind of complements each other perfectly.
If I wanted any wines on the website, how do we get them?
basically straight to wineselectors.com.au and it will lay out all your wine subscription options delivered directly to your door. These guys are all going home, so...
What a way to finish.
Exactly. Thank
Love
you.
it. Cheers.
Cheers.